Alright, we are here at 18 Sims Road in Bassfield, Mississippi. For here, Wendy Myers, claim number 002019198872, to attempt a prescribed repair by Assurant. The scope shows for 14 shingles to be replaced on the front and 15 on the rear. I have found here one of the 15 wind damaged shingles that I will be attempting to remove and put back a like, kind, and quality shingle without damaging the shingles around it. So without further ado, we are going to begin repairs. Some tools and methods set up. Alright, we have a one wind damaged shingle, and we've got 5 other shingles around it that could be potentially damaged from the repair. Overall, the shingle appears to be in fair condition, holding on to most of its granules. So let's check the pliability. What I'm going to do is debond the shingles above the target shingle to be able to take the fasteners out. So here I'm going to debond the target shingle first. Here's pretty good. Target shingle, and move on to the shingle above it. Bonded the row above it. We've successfully debonded the rows of shingles above the target shingle. We'll start looking for those nail heads. First one. Fastener's already pulling right there. Pulled through. Let me take a picture of that. Alright. Move along. Pull it right through. Stop and take one more picture. We'll keep moving along. And these shingles are they're just brittle. They've lost their pliability, so that fastener is just having trouble. It's just having trouble not pulling through. And we've got 2 nails right next to each other, so that's not the proper way to install, but we weren't able to get one without damaging the fastener here. Fastener pull. Got those out. Moving along. And oh, there it is right there. Stop and document whenever something does happen or a fail does occur. I just want to be sure to be documenting it. One row of nails removed,
We'll go to the one above it. That one here. And again, we're not applying too much pressure. We're not being overly aggressive. We're just trying to take the nails out without pulling the fastener through. There we go. 2 more nails to go. We should be released. And 1 more. That's what we're looking for. That material did a good job there. Alright. So far, we've got a few fastener pulls. I'll make note of it. Let's get the target shingle out first. Alright. Successful pull. It's a Tamco. So here's our existing roof product. And we're going to throw a quick shingle gauge on. Approaching that 20-year mark. Existing shingle removed. A temporary repair going in. So before I go back, I just want to check for that material transfer. It does appear we did have some compromised the row of shingle below the target shingle here, number 1. Got some material transfer there, there. So just something to note here. We'll just take a picture. And let's get her in there. Take our time. Make sure we're doing it as easy as we can. And I just want to make note of where the nail and the hammer have to align to achieve a flush nail head strike. Again, just achieving that flush nail head strike, starting to cause a little bit of compromise in that pliability.
1 row of nails in.
Keep working above here. Starting to crease here just by
achieving that flush nail head strike. We're having to
go as easy as we can. Here.
Overall, the shingle isn't, it's not doing bad,
Although it is
showing a few examples of creasing, the beginnings of creasing.
overall.
Overall, repair did fairly well, aside from the few fails that we did have. We had that material transfer on number 1, and we had fastener pull on shingle 3, shingle 4, shingle 5. And then kind of lightly brush here. Again, just lightly brushing. Check for the granule displacement, loosening of the granules, and you can see it kind of starting to show that crease across the top of the shingle here. Another one here. Yeah, those granules, they've loosened pretty significantly, and it's showing, it's kind of exposing these creases. Same here with the row above it. Some creasing starting to form across the top of these shingles just by achieving that flush nail head strike. So we do have that crease here. Shingle 5, shingle 4, shingle 3. With the failures in place, this is a temporary repair. Material transfer 1. Creasing 3. Tearing, we had none. Fastener pull, we had 3. And that will conclude our repair effort.